we're going to start our next component. A new component. We're going to call this grid. And notice as we've activated our grid, our other component goes to this kind of whited out view so that we can clearly see what we're working on. Our grid needs to start from the top of our lugs here, so we're going to go create sketch, and it's just going to be on top of that geometry. We can still access the geometry of other components. For my grid to fit inside of my shell, I need to make sure that I've left a bit of tolerance, because remember, our printer is never perfect. Once again, we're going to project that geometry in. If I click in between those lines, it'll do the whole thing for me. Done. I can turn off these bodies. So now this is my inner geometry. So of course I need to double click on that and hit O for offset. And you can use parameters if you like, but just for this project I'm going to use just like 0.2 mil, which means I know it'll comfortably fit inside. We're going to add some width to the outside of our grid first. Remember, you can't offset from an offset, so when we do this, we're going to select that original line that we're on, O for offset. I'm going to go 4.2 mil. And finish sketch, and we're going to turn back on bodies, and now we can bring that whole thing up, E for extrude, and we'll make that 2 mil thick. New body, that's what we want. Beautiful. And notice that if I go back to my main timeline, I've now got two components. They are color coded, and if you zoom in nice and close, you can see we've actually left that gap there. Perfect.